Easy installation and signal strength is good. The eSIM is easy to download and I was able to use it without any issues. I used to have a lot of trouble with physical SIM, but since switching to eSIM, everything is much more convenient. No need to remove and install, no fear of losing SIM, just scan the code and get network immediately. I used it in Germany, Austria, France, and Spain, and the connection was normal, except in remote areas. It is a very cost-effective choice. It works well and easy to install. Easy to install, good internet for an affordable price. Very convenient to use, the network is quite smooth. No problems. I have traveled to several European countries and have had no problems using it. Activation was easy and I would like to use it again. Very good quality. My QR code wasn't working at first, the customer service changed another one for me. Thank you. Absolutely worth it. No need to worry about finding a SIM card upon arrival. Super convenient. This eSIM is perfect for family travel. We had stable internet access for everyone, which was essential for keeping the kids entertained and for navigation. I was impressed by how affordable the eSIM plan was compared to roaming charges. Traveling Europe with this eSIM was a breeze. The connection stayed strong in places like Amsterdam and Barcelona, and the data speeds were impressive. It's a must-have for exploring the continent without connectivity worries. This eSIM made my Europe trip amazing. From Paris to Rome, I had reliable 4G coverage across multiple countries. Activation was simple, and it saved me from pricey roaming fees, perfect for a multi-city journey. Reliable and efficient. eSIM works great, and I love that I can have both personal and work numbers. This time it worked fine in Croatia and Slovenia, but not in Montenegro.